Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Anjan's Tech Treasures, where we explore the coolest smartphone of today. In this video, we're diving deep into the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra in the stunning Viva Magenta. Is this the future of foldables? Stick around to find out. First up, let's unbox this beauty. Inside you get the phone itself, a turbo power charger, a SIM ejector tool, and of course some paperwork, but hold on, there's no charging brick here. Keep that in mind when you make your purchase. And here it is, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra in Viva Magenta. Sleek, stylish, and definitely an attention grabber. The external 3.6-inch AMOLED display is already catching my eye, but we'll get into the details in a bit. Let's talk design. Motorola nailed it with this phone. The color Viva Magenta is bold and unique, but it's not just about aesthetics. The build quality is top-notch with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protecting the front and back. This phone is durable. Although it only has an IP52 water resistance rating, meaning it's splash-proof but not fully waterproof. The hinge feels smooth and it's satisfying to flip open and closed. It's not bulky like older flip phones, and it's incredibly lightweight. Perfect for those who like to carry their phones in their pockets without the bulk. Now let's move on to the display, a key selling point for this phone. The main screen is a gorgeous 6.9-inch AMOLED panel with a 165Hz refresh rate, making it buttery smooth for browsing and gaming. With a resolution of 2640x1080 and 413 ppi, everything looks crisp and vibrant. Colors pop. And blacks are deep as expected from AMOLED technology. But what really sets this phone apart is the 3.6-inch external AMOLED display. This is not just for notifications, you can access almost all apps, preview your camera, and even use it for gaming. It's one of the best implementations of an external display in any flip phone. However, the external display does have its limitations. Instagram Reels and YouTube videos can get cropped, which might be annoying for some users. Under the hood, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset paired with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM. This means you'll get a smooth experience for multitasking, gaming, and day-to-day use. Gaming is a breeze on this device with no noticeable lags or stutters during my test with medium to high-end games. Paired with 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, you have plenty of room for apps, games, and media. The camera setup on this device is solid, though it may not be the best in the market. You get a 12MP main camera with OIS and a 13MP ultra-wide lens. For selfies, there's a 32MP shooter. While the photos are decent in good lighting conditions, the camera isn't top of the line. That said, the ultra-wide and macro shots turn out great for the occasional landscape or close-up photography. A standout feature is the ability to use the external display as a preview screen for the main camera. This is perfect for snapping selfies or getting the ideal shot without needing to open the phone. One minor issue: Instagram Reels can look cropped when using the external display, and the camera app itself can hang in portrait mode occasionally. Now the Achilles heel of this phone, the battery life. With a 3800 mAh battery, you're likely to need a top up by late afternoon, especially if you're a heavy user. It supports 30W turbo power charging and 5W wireless charging, but with today's demands, the battery does feel a bit underwhelming. The battery life can be optimized using the screen management settings, but it's still a trade-off you'll have to consider. So is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra worth your money? Well, if you're looking for a stylish, compact, and feature-packed flip phone, then this is one of the best options out there. The Viva Magenta color is a head-turner, the external display is useful, and the performance is solid. However, the battery life and some quirks with the external display may leave power users wanting more. At the current price, especially with recent price drops, it's still a great value for those who want the latest in flip phone technology. Just don't expect flagship level cameras or battery performance. Let's now talk about the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Looking for a smartphone that's not just powerful but also stylish? Look no further than the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. With its innovative foldable design and cutting-edge technology, this phone is a game changer. The Razr 50 Ultra's foldable design offers the best of both worlds, the portability of a compact phone and the immersive experience of a larger screen. When folded, it's a sleek, pocket-friendly device. Unfold it and you have a vibrant, high-resolution display. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the Razr 50 Ultra delivers lightning-fast performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming or multitasking, this phone handles it all with ease. And with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps and files. The Razr 50 Ultra's camera system is a standout feature. With a 50MP main camera and a 50MP telephoto lens, you can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The phone's OIS and quad-pixel technology ensure sharp, detailed images. The Razr 50 Ultra's 4.0-inch external display is more than just a notification center. You can use it to check messages, take selfies, and even control your music without having to unfold the phone. With its 4000 mAh battery and support for 45W turbo pod charging, the Razr 50 Ultra can keep you going all day long. And when it's time to recharge, you can quickly top it off with the included 15W wireless charger. The Motorola Razr 50 Ultra is more than just a phone. It's a statement piece that combines style, performance and innovation. If you're looking for a smartphone that stands out from the crowd, the Razr 50 Ultra is the perfect choice. To learn more about the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra and to purchase yours, visit link to Motorola website. Don't miss out on this incredible device.